Salí jodido la última vez que en alguien yo confié. Me compro una foría, Cupido se la vacíe. No me vuelvo a enamorar, no me vuelvo a enamorar. Sigue tu camino que sin ti me va mejor.
Please subscribe. Subscribe, okay? That's all you need to do. Okay, tell your mom, tell your auntie, tell your granny, tell your tia, tell everyone, okay, that they need to subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna start off by spraying some Mario Badescu rose water on my face. Oh my god, that feels so good. And I'm gonna take some Mario Badescu moisturizer. This is from his acne line, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. So next I am going to be using Makeup Forever HD foundation, and I mix this with Urban Decay's All Nighter. This is in a 9.75. This shade, it doesn't say at the bottom, so I'm not sure what color this is in. I probably should have saved the box for this purpose, but who knows. Just mix it, and now I'm gonna dot that all over my face. Now I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. This is by Real Techniques, and I'm gonna spray some more rose water just because I love this stuff. This is already damp, but I like to spray it again with the rose water. And I'm gonna start pressing the foundation into my skin. You always want to make sure that you dampen your beauty blender really well, just so that the product doesn't get sucked in from the sponge. As soon as I feel like that's all blended out, I'm going to go in my Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand. And then I'm also going to use this Fit Me Concealer in 30 Cafe. I'm using both right now just because I feel like the Tan Sand is super light on me now. I need to go get a different color. And then I'm just gonna go in with this color for the highlight of my nose and my chin and lip. To blend that all out. You're blending out concealer, you always want to look up just so that it doesn't crease that much. And then I flip it around to the foundation side, and I just blend it just like that. Just pressing all the product into my skin. I'm going to be setting my face with the Revolution Luxurious Banana Powder. Setting powder on all my like troubled areas, and then I put it on wherever I put the concealer at. So this is just going to set the product in. It's going to make it sure it doesn't move and that there's not too much crack. So after that sets for a little bit, I don't like to leave it baking too long, but after it sets for a little bit, I like to go in with this big fan brush, and I like to just sweep all the product off. Next, I'm going to be going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder in W48. I just use this to just bronze up my face. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys are not subscribed yet and this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe below. Press that red button. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!